Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing another what I eat in a day on Herbalife. Besides that, it's also going to be like a little vlog style because I just like these kind of videos better. So I'm going to go ahead and make my morning shake because today is Wednesday. It's 10/19 and it's August 14th. And I do have to go to the gym at 11, so it's 10:20 right now. I'm about to make my shake. I think I'm just gonna go with 2 scoops of Formula 1 mint chocolate. So I'm gonna do all of that, and then I've also been adding Prolesa to my shakes for breakfast. Water. That much water. Okay, close it. Then 1 scoop of vanilla protein, and then 2 scoops of mint chocolate Formula 1, and then we blend it up. Put some ice, a lot of ice, like I fill up the cup with ice, and then you mix it one more time, and then I add the Prolesa at the end. I don't add it like whenever I'm mixing it. The Prolesa goes in at the end. That's just what my coach told me to do, so that's what I've been doing. And in the morning, I do notice that my stomach is a lot flatter because I drink it for breakfast. And just like that. You see how it's like thicker? Just how I like it. And then my 1 scoop of Prolesa, just top it. And then mix it with your straw and you're good to go. It's gonna get a little bit chunky because of the Prolesa, but just mix it and then like that'll go away. You will find some chunks. I don't know if it works better if you don't mix it in with the other dry ingredients, but my coach just told me to drink it dry. Like, you know what I mean? Don't mix it. So now I'm going to make Grecia breakfast real quick while Bert takes a shower. Mom, you want huevitos? Yeah? What? You want some eggs? Okay. I'm gonna make Grecia just a scrambled egg with probably some huevitos for breakfast. So, let me do that. Oh, you're making huevito. She's inside her house. Are you gonna eat breakfast? Yeah? So, Grecia just woke up. That explains her not wearing a shirt. But she's gonna eat breakfast. No. Bert is making himself breakfast. He's gonna make himself some bacon. I made Grecia some huevitos. If I would have known that he wanted breakfast, I would have made it. But it's already 10:40 and I'm gonna take off here in like 5 minutes or so. Still have to finish this, so I'm gonna chug it, and then I took out chicken so that I can make lunch when I get back. I'll probably have to go to the store after the gym, but I'll bring you guys along with me, and we'll see you guys in a little bit. So Bert was still making himself breakfast. He wasn't done yet. Grecia was still eating her breakfast, and I'm on my way to the gym. I'm actually running a little bit late. I usually try to get there 15 minutes before, and it's 10 minutes to 11 because I like to warm up for 15 minutes before I actually start the actual workout. But I was serving myself water and stuff and trying to finish my shake in time, but we all woke up a little bit late, so that is why I'm running late. But I will see you guys after the workout. I don't know what we're doing today, but we'll see, and hopefully it's not too bad. Okay guys, so I never told you guys what I was going to be making for lunch. So I do have a video showing you guys this. So I'm just basically going to explain what it is that I'm doing. But I am going to be making calabaza con pollo for lunch today. It just has a bunch of vegetables. It's kind of like a soup. So it has calabazas. It has, or you can call them squash, whatever. Corn, onions, tomato, chile serrano, and what else does it have? You can put carrots, but I chose not to put the carrot, even though I bought them. So to start off, I want to just cut up the onion and the tomato, and I'm kind of going to like saute that, but you can leave them chunkier if you like biting into the onion or the tomato. Bert and I don't really like it, so I cut them up a little bit smaller. So I'm just gonna dice up really well the onion, especially because I hate biting into onion. And I'm also gonna dice the tomato, saute that into the pan, do that first, and then eventually I'm going to start cutting up my chicken. I think I used maybe about 3 to 4 chicken breasts. I hardly ever use chicken with a bone or like with the bone in. I always buy chicken breast, and I'm just gonna dice it up like into little cubes also, and then put that in with the onion and the tomato. So I'm gonna let that cook by itself for a little bit before I start adding in the chile serrano and stuff like that. So the reason I do this is so that the chicken will get the flavor of the onion and the tomato. It's just something I've always done. You can put it in the way, like however you guys want to. This is just how I do it. So you guys can see here that I'm kind of browning the tomatoes and the onions, and I'm pouring in the chicken. Now I'm cutting up 2 chile serranos, and I'm just slicing those straight down the middle and throwing them in there. So that chicken is going to get so much flavor. So now what I'm going to do is cut up, or not cut up, not yet at least. I'm going to be peeling the, I think it's called squash in Spanish. I mean in English, I'm not sure, but in Spanish it's called calabaza. Excuse me. So I'm just going to be dicing that. And when you put in your calabaza, you don't want to add any water. At least not a whole bunch of water, maybe just like half a cup, because the calabaza itself lets out a lot of water as it's cooking. It just lets out a lot of water. So if you don't want it super like soupy, then don't add any water at all. This itself will give you enough water for it, if that makes any sense at all. But if you do like it a little bit soupy like Bert does, then I add in like just the smallest amount of water. And now for the seasonings and stuff, I'm going to add half a can of tomato sauce and then some conso pollo. I put maybe like half a tablespoon of this. And then the tomato bouillon, it's chicken bouillon and tomato. The tomato one, I put in maybe like a whole tablespoon. And then what I'm adding in right here are just my especias. I do have a video on how I make these. I put this on all of my food, you guys. I will leave it in the iCards here on the front if you guys want to, on the top, I mean, if you guys want to learn how to make the especias that I just put into my food. And last but not least, you cannot forget the corn. This is Grecia's favorite part of this entire meal. Like, she can eat all the corn. And the reason there's so much in my bowl is because Bert doesn't like it. He prefers like corn from the can. But I totally forgot to buy it, so I didn't. And this is just what I ate for lunch. I totally forgot that I was vlogging today, but it's already gonna be, it's like 6 on the dot. And I got hungry. I'm like almost done with it, with my snack after my lunch. So we had lunch maybe about like 2.5 hours ago, but I'm just eating some apple slices with peanut butter, just like that. It's a small apple that I just put peanut butter on, and that's going to be my snack. I'm pretty sure the next thing that I eat is going to be my shake a little bit later. But so far, this is satisfying my hunger because I was craving something super bad. Like, I wanted something like sweet, and this is good enough. So this is what I'm having after my lunch. 7:35 and I'm already making my little dinner shake. I've been a little bit hungry today, but not like super duper bad. Why do you keep doing that? Leave me alone. So I made my cookies and cream shake. I put 1 scoop of PDM and then 2 of Formula 1. It all depends on your, like, what you're drinking them for. Some people drink them for weight loss. Some people drink them to gain weight. Some people drink them to maintain. For me, since I'm trying to lose weight, it's 1 scoop of PDM and 2 of Formula 1. I think if you're trying to gain or something like that, I could be wrong, correct me if I'm wrong, it's 2 scoops of PDM, which is the protein, and then 2 scoops of Formula 1, whatever flavor you want. You could either put 1 in 1 or just 2 scoops of one flavor, whatever. And I also wanted to say that I did drink my 2 teas today. I didn't film it because I drank them while I was at the gym, but I did have my 2 teas. I drank a peach tea and then I also drank a hot tea, which wasn't my favorite. I'm not a fan of the hot teas, but I drank it. It gave me like a headache, a really weird headache, but I was able to drink it. So I got in my 2 shakes, my 2 snacks, my lunch, and my 2 teas. Did I say that? Or my 2 shakes? So I'm gonna finish up mixing the ice, and it's super thick. Okay, once it sounds like your little mixer's about to break, that's when it's pretty much done, or at least that's how I make mine. So now I'm gonna drink it. It's been a minute since I've drank the cookies and cream one. I like to add, I already added my Prolesa to my morning shake, and I like to take it in the morning just because it's supposed to help curb your hunger. So I know a lot of people who take it at night, but if it's supposed to help me with not wanting to like just eat a bunch of random crap other than like healthy food, then I choose to drink it in the morning just so that it'll help me throughout the day and not so much at night, because at night I can fall asleep. So that's the only reason why I take the Prolesa in the morning, because it does have that little hunger control help. So I take advantage of that and I take it within my morning shake, and I think that's what helps me sometimes not have a snack, but if I'm super hungry, because I do drink my shake right before my workout. If the workout was super intense, then I will, like, for some reason I get hungrier. I don't know why that happens, but I do get hungry. So then I'll get home. Your body burns more calories? Oh, well. So then if it, like today, it wasn't so intense, like it was like more of a chill workout. It was more like upper body and arms. So I didn't get home and like eat a snack. I just came home and I made lunch. So I had a big lunch, and then I had my snack, which was the apples and the apple and the peanut butter for my snack. And then now I'm drinking my shake as my dinner. And if anything, I happen to get hungry later on, then I'll have like a rice cake. I won't eat any more fruit just because of the sugar. I usually try to eat the fruits earlier in the day, like before my workout or for breakfast, just because of all the sugar and stuff. But if push comes to shove, then I'm going to eat like an apple or a banana or something, or some grapes. But
you want water?
That's pretty much it for today's video. If you guys want to see more of these videos, then give this video a big thumbs up so that I'll know that you guys enjoy them.
You want water?
And we will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.